Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Mountain Dew flavored homemade candy canes. Now we all know somebody who loves Mountain Dew, and this is the perfect recipe for them. Make them a big one because you love them. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. The first thing we need to do is start off with a small heavy bottom pan. To that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Take this, bring it over to the stove. We want to heat it up until it gets to 265 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll add in our cream of tartar. Now turn on your heat to about medium high. We'll give it a stir. When that's all mixed in, we're just going to let it get to 265 degrees Fahrenheit. So when it reaches 265 degrees Fahrenheit, we are going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And just mix that up. Now we're going to let it go until it's 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's reached 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We can turn off our heat. And we'll bring it over to our workstation. All right, so now I'm bringing this over to a workstation. I have on right now some gloves. Now I have a pair of winter gloves underneath a pair of these rubber gloves. So it's very important because this is going to be so hot that your hands aren't going to be able to tolerate it on its own. And you don't want to just use winter gloves because it needs to have food safe gloves over top of it. So double layer the gloves and we're going to get to it. I have preheated my oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So now what we need to do is flavor this. So I have some Mountain Dew flavoring. This is Mountain Dew syrup, which I made by just boiling down some Mountain Dew. I'll put about 2 teaspoons of Mountain Dew flavoring in this because I really want it to taste like Mountain Dew. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide it into about half. So I'm going to pour about half of the contents out on this pan. Just like so. We'll leave it there. Now this one I am going to color at this stage green for Mountain Dew. Mix that up. Now we can take this and pour this into our baking mat that's on a cookie sheet. I'll put that aside just for a moment and I'll bring this back. I do want to color this, and I'm going to color this yellow. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of yellow in there. And I have a scraper that I'm going to use for this, and I want to spray it first with some cooking spray. I'm going to use this and just scrape and fold over. And another thing we want to do is this other one that we're not using right now, we're going to put this in the oven just to keep it nice and toasty at 200 degrees. So what we're going to do is just pull this and get that color in there. Just like we're working with taffy. I think that's a good color right there. So now what I'm going to do is just roll this out. And I'm going to divide it into about 3 sections. And I'm going to put this back in the oven and pull out our green. And when it comes out of the oven, it's going to be rather sticky, so you might want to use your scraper here at first. You can let it sit out for a little bit more, just to let it firm up a bit before you start working it with your fingers. And we can pull this just a little bit. You don't have to pull it a lot. We'll get it. When you're happy with the color the way you want it, then we can roll it out. And we can divide this up as well. And what I'm going to do is take one of these, set out here because we're going to work with that, and also take one of our yellows out of the oven. Now that we have this, we're just going to match them up side by side, kind of press them together. And then we're going to take it and we're going to twist them. And also stretch them as you twist them. And after you have that, what we're going to do is just roll these. And just roll them and kind of push outward as you roll them. And when you're happy with that, we just want to take this and we want to cut it off. So I'm going to cut this right here, just right here. Take it, we're going to bend it in. And we're going to go down to about here. Cut that off. Now, this is one of our Mountain Dew candy canes. You can kind of bend in the side and put that aside. Now, this is getting hard to work with, so what I'm going to do is just put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. And just keep doing this until all of them are done. Now, like I said, it's very important when you're not working with pieces to put them back in the oven so that they don't harden up too quick. Well, now it's time for the taste test. Let's try these out and see if they really taste like Mountain Dew. Just like a regular candy cane, it does take a little bit of work to get that flavor in there, but it's really good. So try it out, give it a shot, and let me know how it works for you. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these homemade Mountain Dew flavored candy canes. It was a lot of fun making these. It is a little bit of work, but it's well worth it. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And if you do, please share with me on any of my social media, FunFoods YT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy it as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time. And until then, I'll see you next week. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these homemade Mountain Dew flavored candy canes. It was a lot of fun making this. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Also, share it with somebody who you think would enjoy this video as well. As always, make sure you check back tomorrow for another video.